Hello guys and welcome back to another shoe cleaning video. So for today's episode we're gonna go and clean a World Balance shoe, the Secret Fresh World Balance Invictus. Let's go guys. Hello guys and we are back with another shoe cleaning video. I appreciate you dropping by. If you are new to this channel guys, please like and subscribe. Your support will go a long way. So for today's video we're gonna go and clean a World Balance Invictus. So this is a collab from World Balance and Secret Fresh brand, as you can see. So this particular shoe has multiple materials around it. So it has suede here on the toe, suede on the heel, and suede here on the lace part, and some accents of leather as well, and this one synthetic material and some canvas. So a really mix of different materials guys. Now when you are cleaning this shoe, you might want to avoid wetting this part here, the suede. This will bleed, and I have seen some pictures on the internet about people, crying over their Invictus with the colors bleeding all over the shoe. So for today's episode, we're gonna go ahead and clean this shoe and try not to mess up on the suede parts as well. So what we're gonna need for today's episode are the shoe trees. So we put this on the shoe to give it more structure on the toe. Now we're gonna use 3 brushes. We're gonna use a dry brush for the suede. For the upper, we're gonna wet this one, soft bristle brush. And for the midsole and the outsole, we're gonna use a hard bristle brush. For the shoe cleaning, we're gonna go and stick with our shoe cleaner. So we're gonna go and use the brush and wipe method for this one. So let's go ahead guys and start the cleaning. Let's go. Okay guys, so we are done with the shoe cleaning. So as you can see, it's all clean now. Now you might be able to hit the suede with some water. Just remember guys to have a dry microfiber towel ready and just really pat dry on that wet part, especially with other colorways of the Invictus. It will bleed into the other parts of the shoe, especially the cotton or the mesh part here, so you really need to avoid that. There you go, pat dry. Make sure that everything's dry now. So that is it for today guys. I hope you learned something new today. So always be careful when dealing with multiple materials for a certain shoe, especially the suede. It will bleed, so just use dry brush. And for persistent dirt, you could also use suede eraser. So that is it guys, and I will see you soon in our next shoe cleaning video. Bye guys.